In this video, we are going to learn how we can create this kind of section, over section, and then over sections, TC sections using Elementor. If you can see these all sections, while hover, you can see the images are scrolling, and when you scroll the page, these are sticky on each other. If you can see, all of these sections are sticky on each other, and this is the last section, and after last section, this is scrolling up. So in this video, we are going to learn how we can create this kind of multi-sticky sections using Elementor. And if you see it's on the tablet view, this is also responsive, you can see. And also if you see on the mobile view, it's also looking very amazing. You can see all the sections are sticky on each other, and the last section scroll up all these sections. So how you can quickly do that using Elementor, I'm going to show you in this video. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. So let me get started. For creating this kind of sticky section, we will add a container here. So I will add a container here. So I'm using a blank container, and here on the container I just add some padding on the top and bottom that we can add some more items here. So I add some padding here. So this is the padding I have added, and here I just add some text here. So I just drag and drop these text, so you can use any of the text. I just adding this text for the design purpose. Now I have added this text, and now you just need to click on parent container and click on layout and make the alignment itself items into the center. Okay, now when you will click on this center, so this will be automatically in the center. Now what we need to do is, now I will remove this section that it will conflict with our section. So now this is an empty sections. So now I just click on plus icon and add a container here. So I just add a container here. Now you can see this is our container, and in the width I set in the pixels because my portfolio section is almost 900 pixels. So now we have 900 pixels section. So this is our first section, for example. Now we need to set the background image, for example, like this. You can see this is a background image that is appearing here. So for that I just click on style, click on background, and here we select the image that we want to show in the background. So here I select my image that I have already uploaded. Here I just select this one, and here in the setting you just need to click on position, and I select this center top. So I select center top, and here in the repeat I select no repeat, and display size I select the cover. So this is now cover, and the alignment is on the center top. Now another thing we need to do is, in the style you just need to click on border, and here is the border radius. So we need border radius top only. So I deselect this linking, and on the top I select 30 pixels, and the right also 30 pixels. You can see the top and left is now 30 pixels. You can see another thing we need to do in the style is border type. I select border type and select solid. Also I just deselect, and on the border top I select 2 pixels, and here I select the color, this one for example. So I make it 3 pixels, and I have selected a color for that. So now we have a section and with the background, but if you click hover here, it's not scrolling the image. So for that I go back again on the background, click on hover, and here I select the image for the hover. So we need to select the same image for the background hover. So I just select, here is the same image, click on select. So this image has been selected. Now we need to add some more settings. In the position we need to select the bottom center. Okay, so this is the bottom center here, and attachment we just need to do not touch this, repeat select not repeat, and display size we just select cover, and here in this side transition duration we select 12 seconds. So within 12 seconds it will scroll up all the way. So if you scroll hover here, the background image is now scrolling. Now lastly we need to add some space here. So I just click on plus icon, and here I search for spacer. So this is the spacer I just drag and drop here, and we need to add some spacing here. So I just add almost 500 spacing here, for example 500. So now we have 500 spacing here. Now one of our section is ready. Now I just set the responsiveness of this section as well. I just click on tablet view. In the tablet view, I go again in the layout and select here. So I just select it almost 620. So I just select 620, and for the mobile I select 300. You can see I select the 300 width for the mobile, and it's also scrolling. So now this is fully responsive, and this is also scrolling. Now the next thing is how we can make it sticky, and the other sections should be take over on this. So this is very simple. You just need to right click here and click on duplicate. Now we have the duplicate section of this section, and if we need 3 or 4, for example here we have 4 sections, okay, and fifth one is for ready to website section. So here we need 5, so I just duplicate in 5 times. Now we have 5 sections, and for each section I will change the background image. For example here I am changing the background images, that it will not be same for all. So here I am adding my other projects in other sections. So one by one I am changing the background images here. Now you can see the background image and the normal image I have changed for this section, and also for this section I am going to change. Now for the 4 sections I have changed all the images for the background and the hover background images. Now for the last section, if you see here, for the last section we need get ready to website and 2 buttons here. So you can design this as this one is. So here I just add the title and back this text and the buttons. So here we don't need the images in the background, so I just click here, click on style, and here I will just deselect the background as well. So here I have deselect, and here in the background I just make the color black. So I have added a black color in the background. You can see this is the background color I have added. So now we need a title here. So here I just search for the heading, and here is the heading, and here is the spacer. So I just remove that spacer. So this is the heading we have here. So I just make it align center. Now this is align center, and I just duplicate this. And another section is first one is get ready to your website. So I just paste here, for example, and in the section other section I just say in the other text I say with PK skills, for example. So for this one I just change the color to white, for example, and here we just increase the font size to this one, for example I just make it 50 as well. And for this is for the desktop, okay. So here if you click on this and click on tablet view, so for the tablet we can change the font size to 30 and 40, for example here. And for the mobile view, for example here I select the mobile, and for the mobile we select 25. So this is responsiveness. Now another thing, we need to add a container buttons here. So I just click on plus icon, and here I just add a container inside this container. So here we need 2 buttons. So I just click on this and search for the button, and here is the button, for example. And here we need another button. So I just duplicate that and click on this container and make direction to the horizontal and justify to the center. So now we have 2 buttons inside this. Here I just click on this parent container and click on layout, and here we just make the minimum height 500, because other sections we have 500 spacing here, and justify content to the center. So now the content is in the center. So this is looks like this section. So you can customize the buttons, but I don't want to waste your time on customizing the button. Okay, now we have the sections ready. Now we have all our sections ready, Now we need to apply these sticky settings on these all sections. Okay, for that we need to apply the index first of all, and then we will apply the sticky. So here you just need to click on the sections, click on advanced, and click on layout, and here you just need to put z-index1 for the first section. For the second section, same here, you just need to click on section, click on advanced, and in the z-index you just need to put here 2. In this third section you just need to click on section, click on advanced, and paste z-index as 3. And for the fourth section you just need to click on section, click on advanced, and put the z-index 4. And here on the last section you just need to click on advanced and make the z-index 5. So now we have applied the z-index 1, 2, 3, and 4 and 5. So now last thing, we need to make it sticky. So here again you just need to click on this container, click on advanced, and click on motion effects, and here sticky you just need to select top. So now this is selected as the top, you can see. Now another section are moving above on this section. So now in the sticky I have added the offset 150 for this section. I mean the space between the header and this section will be 150 pixels. For the next section I just click on advanced again and click on motion effects, click on sticky and make it top. Now this, you can see this is top, but there is no space, you can see. So for that I just make offset 170. You can see why I add the sticky space offset, sticky offset 170. So now you can see there is, you can see there is a space, and there is, this section is now sticky here. So I just make it 180. So I just make increase this. So now you can see the background container is also visible, and this is the foreground. For the third section I just make the same step. I click on advanced and click on motion effects, and here I just click on sticky and top, and I just make it 190. So you can see, sorry, sticky offset, I just make it 190. So you can see this is over here, so I just make it 200 for example. So now this is bit visible, so I just make it 210. Now this is looking good. And for the fourth section I just make it same step, click on advanced and click on motion effects and make it sticky top, and sticky offset I make it 230. Okay, so I just make it 230. So this is 230, so I just make it 240. Okay, so now that's good, looking good. This is the last section. So for the last section I click again here, click on advanced, z-index 5 is always here. So click on motion effects, click on sticky and click on sticky top, and here is the sticky offset. So sticky offset I just make it 260. So here is the 260. So you can see this is here. Okay, so now you can see all of these containers are not going above. So the same thing we need to do is sticky stay in the columns. So for all these containers we just make them stay in the column. So all of these should be settings as motion effect and stay in the column. You can see the all or stay in the column. So this one is not in the stay, so I just click again here, click on advanced and make sure in the motion effects make this stay in the column. So now if you scroll all of these, all of these are stay in the column, and the last one scroll up above. So if you click on publish and preview this into new tab, so I just go here, and here you can see this is the first section, this is the second section, this is the third, this is the fourth, and this is the fifth section, and then all above are going. up, top. So if you click here, click on mobile. So because we have set for the first section everything with responsive, so that's why all of the settings for all these has been applied for the mobile view as well as for the tablet view. So this is also responsive for the mobile and the tablet. Now I hope you understand how you can create this kind of sticky section. And now if you want to do the practice of this project or this sticky section, I have provided the JSON file of this project in the description. You can just copy, and for example I just delete that. And here, so if you want to import this pre-built section, I have provided the file into the description. So you can just click on plus icon, and here you can just click on this import section, and here you can just click on upload file, and here you can just drag the file that I have provided into the description and click on continue, and then it will be imported into your website and the project. So here you can see this has been imported. So you can see this is the sticky section portfolio name. I just click on insert, click on apply. Now you can see after importing the file, this section is automatically applied on my website, and here you can see you can also do that same for your own website for doing practice. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button and comment below if you have any concern about this video.